Good evening, everybody. I am Dr. MP Singh, Senior Medical Officer, Government of UP in Homeopathy Department. Friends, as you know all that coronavirus infectious disease is prevailing all of the world, in the complete world. It has created a panic in the mind of a normal individual as well as in the medical fraternity. We are the homeopathic doctors. So at this time of need, it cannot be possible for us to sit idle and see the things. This is our utmost duty to do something. As the infection is spreading, increasing, and this is supposed to be happen that a large number of the cases may report in our hospitals or in the government hospitals. Being a homeopathic doctor, my view is that a homeopathy should be involved in the treatment of this infection, because on one hand, till now, there is no clear-cut treatment in the modern medicine. As it is claimed, it has been said by the competent authorities. But on the homeopathic philosophy, yes, it is very clear that we have the medicines. We have to treat the patient according to the totality of the symptoms, according to the symptomatology, and that patient recovers. And this principle applies universally to each and every disease condition, either viral disorders, either bacterial disorders, either protozoal disorders, and many more infections. Homeopathy has worked well. We used to do the homeopathic medicines to the patients suffering from the measles, chicken pox, to the day-to-day influenza, and we are seeing the fantastic results. So why this cannot happen in the coronavirus infection? So my point of view is that we should not sit idle and make a plan for the treatment with the help of our medicines. So I have planned a treatment plan, and according to that plan, the coronavirus infection presents us in the form of different stages. The first stage is the prodromal stage, where the patient present with the not well-being. There is a shivering or chilliness. There is a coryza. These are the milder symptoms. And at that time, our medicines, when the patient is feeling chilly, we can give camphor. When the patient suddenly gets coryza, the suddenness, and if the symptoms agree, aconite is there. When there is a paroxysmal sneezing, fluent acrid coryza, Allium cepa is there. When the coryza is bland and acridity in the lacrimation, associated lacrimation, euphrasia is there. And whenever there is exhausting sneezing and coryza, you can give the Avena sativa in the form of mother tincture to just relieve the patient. There are many more medicines. I am not giving all the medicines. What I am giving certain medicines that I suggest those can be useful at the different stages of the coronavirus infection. So in the prodromal stage, we can think of all these medicines, and also we can think of the medicines like Gelsemium, Arsenicum. The second stage comes when the patient presents with the sore throat, symptoms of the sore throat. This is very crucial stage, and we are having the fantastic medicines where there is extreme redness, extreme inflammation of the throat. We can think of the Phytolacca, when the condition throat cannot tolerate even anything hot. We can think of the Causticum, when there is an associated dry cough when the things are ameliorated, when the throat is ameliorated by some cold infection. We can think of medicines like Sabadilla when there is hot amelioration and associated parchment like dryness of the throat. We can think of certain other medicines also like leg caninum whenever one side is affected. We can also think of medicines like Merxol. More important is the Belladonna, acute inflammation, bright red, violent, associated with the fever, severe pain. Next stage that comes of the cough. For cough, to tackle with the cough, as you see in the most of the videos, the patient is continuously coughing. We can think of the medicines like Spongia. We can think of the medicines like Rumex. We can think of the medicines like Ipecac. We can think of the medicines like Corellum rubrum. Gunshot cough is there, continuous coughing is there, spasmodic violent coughing is there as reported in the cases of the corona. We can think of the medicines like Ipecac, as there is a coughing and gagging and ending to the vomiting, clear tongue without any thirst. We can think of the medicines like Aralia vacimosa. There is severe cough. Patient is sitting, there is no cough. As soon as the patient lies down, there is violent coughing. Aralia vacimosa is a fantastic medicine. Spongia, spasmodic cough. In the paroxysm of 2, there is a croup sound. There is a hoarse sound. So Spongia is a very important, and more important, as I have seen, there is a continuous cough. There is a associated pneumonia, there is associated disease of the lung. The deep acting medicines like phosphorus, which usually we are not using, is supposed to be worked in these conditions, these acute conditions. Phosphorus can be of great use in the homeopathy for the treatment of the coronavirus disease. And there are many medicines like Rumex crispus, when there is tickling in the suprasternal fossa and continuous coughing, the Rumex crispus can be of use. And Drosera is also of great use in the patient presenting with the cough. Next we come to the fever and with associated pneumonia. There are the medicines like Aconite, arsenic, Eupatorium perforatum, Brynia alba, Gelsemium, Natrum sulph, Chelidonium. There are many medicines like phosphorus which can be used. So this is a short description regarding the different type of the medicines which can be used at different stages of the coronavirus infection, along with the management like oxygen, like ventilator, and whatever the patient is needy, that management has to be done. And along with that management, this homeopathic medicine should be given to the patient and should be tried to the patient. Otherwise, we may not be able to say anything regarding the homeopathy, and this is the time government should use this homeopathic system also. Our experts, our senior homeopathic doctors should be engaged in the treatment of the patient suffering from the corona, or patients suspected to be suffering from the coronavirus infection and staying in the quarantine. Along with all these things, there should be administration of the homeopathic treatment. That's all that I wanted to say. Thank you all.